First, we will turn the tire inwards. Notice right there, there's that clip that we're supposed to take out. And I'll be using a clip remover tool like this to take that clip outwards. There's that clip right there. Once that clip is taken out, now the place where we took out that clip, right a little ahead on the top, there is one more screw that's also supposed to be taken out. And that screw is actually right there. Here, I'm using a small size Phillips screwdriver to take that screw outwards. There we got the screw taken out. This was that point right there where we took out that screw. Now we'll try to see if we could pull out the fender liner. Now this much space is fine. We do not need to pull out the complete fender liner. And this is how the headlight looks like from behind. Underneath there's that plug for the turn signal right there. So what we'll do is we'll grab it and then turn it counterclockwise. There it is. That is how we take out the plug along with the bulb. Now once you take it out, to take out the bulb, all we have to do is just grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. There it is. Now in my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it doesn't matter if it's this way or the other way around. Both ways are perfectly fine. There is some dust on the bulb, so I will go to wipe it out and make it look clean. Here, I did clean the bulb. Now I'll go ahead and punch it back in the plug. We make sure to punch in the bulb in the plug. Notice once the bulb is completely in, now we will press the bulb until the point we hear a clicking sound. There it is, that bulb is completely in. Now we'll go ahead and install the plug back where we took it out from. We'll go ahead and punch in the plug. In the meantime, also make sure to hold on to the fender liner. You also have to work your way out because it's a little tight spot right there. You might face some wires in the middle, so you just have to make up your way. Now we make sure the plug is completely in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, and notice it's also not coming out anymore. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the fender liner back. Just like that. I'll go ahead and punch in this clip first. That clip is in. This is where we took out that clip, and here's that spot where we are supposed to put that screw. In my case, the fender liner did not pull out from that spot, but in your case, it might pull out, so you just have to put it back where the point of the screw is. With the screw in place, with that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.